All right, guys, I am doing another solar tracker for my solar. If you can see how I did the cement, I did it like that. That way, if the wind blows and a lot of wind, it's just not a hole straight down. So I'm gonna start finish it up once this cement dry, because I got to tighten these bolts up once it fully cures. That way, it'll be good to go. It's kind of like my my solar system here. So I have my tracker here. I did the hole here the same way for these panels right here, but I use actually 10 bags of 80-pound concrete to get it done, to get the hole in there, so when enough concrete is in there. As I got this leveled up, I'm still putting it together. So we're gonna make sure B side here, we're gonna put these right here. This one is D, so D is gonna make with B. And then this is E, and E goes on top of this piece here. However, this piece is called number C. 2 bolts there. And of course you see here and there the pin, the cotter pin going into that. So now I'm gonna stick, one thing we want to try to do is make sure these 2 holes and these 2 holes are on the same side, because this is where your actuator is going to be at. And same thing on this side. Once I put this on top of this one here, the bar across here, I want to make sure, well, actually those 2 holes right there need to line up with these 2 holes right there. But I am going to put this one on top first, and then I'll come back and then we'll start doing the actuator where I can put here and here. All right, and as you can see, west side, south, west. So west, 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 east, and then it's my north facing side. So I got this on now. So both of those are on. So now I can start putting on my actuator. So let's get those mounted. All right, so my west side that's gonna go there is gonna be the longer one. And then my south side here, okay, it's gonna be the shorter one. All right, guys, got the actuators on there on both sides. And again, on this one here that has the B one, right here is gonna be the long one. And then on this side here, this is gonna be the short one here. And these are all on this is on the west side. The short one is on the south side. 4 screws, 2 screws here, 2 screws there on both sides. So you guys stay tuned for the rest of it. Down here on the concrete, I did an X or a plus sign, because if the wind shifts this way, or this way, or this way, I want it covered instead of just doing a hole straight down. This gives it a little bit more stability, and this is actually 3 feet down in the ground all over. All right, guys, so look, we're gonna put this controller in here, but I'm putting this controller in this box right here. Okay, this, I have it on my other one, and what this is going to do is it will keep it out of the rain and all of that. So I can put it on there and fasten it. The only places the wires are exposed there. It's not completely waterproof, but it keeps the majority of the water off of it. Water's not going to stand in there. It will come out the bottom here. So this is how I'm going to keep it secure. And so we're going to go ahead and get this mounted. All right, so we got it attached to the pole. Close it down. On the bottom here, you lock it, and then you lock it, and the box is on there. Like I said, this box is just to keep it out of the weather from being wet or anything like that. It's on there pretty good. That's just to protect my control box there. And so when I'm gonna get to it, I'll unlatch it, and then I can open it up and get to the box. All right, guys, so I got the box there. I got a little charge controller there. I got it hooked up to one of these solar panels right now, just to keep the battery charged up until I get my other stuff for it. I do have 2 panels on there. These panels are 125 watts a piece. Then I got to bury my wire, and then I got to get these all situated. My other one over there it is right there. So I'll have both of these working in conjunction with each other. I do want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Enjoy solar. Solar is the way to go.